How to recover a forgotten Discover Bank password. If you have forgotten your Discover Bank password, I have got you covered. Today I'll show you how to reset your forgotten Discover Bank password. For this, open your web browser and head to the search bar and type in discover.com and hit enter. Then you can see login right here. Click on login. When the login box appears, you can see forgot user ID password, okay, under the field. Just click on it. You can see which account login information you need, okay. Now enter the account, credit cards, use forgot password. Now you will be prompted to fill in your card number, okay. Just enter your card number and your date of birth and enter everything here. Once you enter it, simply tap on this continue, and you might be asked to select a verification method after this, okay. Most often you will receive a text message code to your registered phone number. Check your phone and type the one-time code into the Discover site to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be able to create a new password, okay. Now once you enter your new password, return to the login page, and once you return to login page, just enter your user ID and your new password and click log in. You should now have full access to your account once you click on login. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to reset a forgotten Discover Bank password. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.